To remove someone on Snapchat, follow these simple steps on your iPhone or Android device. There are two main methods to do this. First, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page. From there, scroll down and tap on My Friends. Here you'll see a list of all the people you're friends with. You can scroll through to find the person you wish to remove. Once you locate them, tap and hold their profile picture. A menu will pop up with the option Manage Friendship. Tap on it, then select Remove Friend, and confirm by tapping Remove. This action will remove the person from your friends list. The second way to remove someone is directly from the chat screen. Tap on the chat icon, the speech bubble, to view your conversations. Find the person you want to remove from your chats. Tap and hold their profile picture, and then select Manage Friendship, followed by Remove Friend. Confirm by tapping Remove. Keep in mind that there's no faster way to do this. You'll need to go through the process one by one for each person you want to remove. Whether you're removing someone from your friends list or chat, the steps are the same. You'll simply tap and hold, then select the appropriate options to remove them. I hope this guide helps. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.